Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a responsive website using JavaScript. With more of us relying on our smartphone devices to connect to the world, it's important our websites are able to adapt to different devices and screen sizes. Well, luckily JavaScript gives us the ability to develop websites which can be adapted easily to different devices. That's why we're going to use JavaScript for today's tutorial. So, let's get to it. The very first thing we're going to do is create a basic HTML document for our website. We'll need an opening tag and the essential closing tag. After that, we'll add the page title and meta information so the search engine can properly register the web page. Next, we'll need to add the CSS and JavaScript external links. This will allow us to access the necessary CSS and JavaScript files to create a responsive website. Then, it's time for us to actually write the code for responsiveness to the website. We'll be using media queries in the CSS file to target different screen sizes. We will also use matching JavaScript functions, so the website knows how to respond when the screen changes. By adding the two, we can make sure the design and functionality of the website remain consistent across all types of devices, allowing a smooth transition between desktop and mobile versions. Once we have added the media queries and JavaScript functions, we can simply add our own content, style, and design elements to the website. And that's it. We've now created a fully responsive website, capable of adjusting to various devices. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand what it takes to make a responsive website with JavaScript. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take it easy.